Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we would be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI, currently ranked at 151 with a market cap of about $180 million, right? Currently we have a 24-hour volume of about $23 million, quite very high right there, or very good right here for YFI, right? And currently we would be looking at the AI price prediction right here, even for September right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So without further ado, let us move over to the chart, right? So currently at the time of recording today, the price for YFI is at 5,458. And so basically what our AI is predicting, that in the next 5 days, we could see exactly by September 9th, we could see a push to the downside of about 4,932, right? So the price for YFI would be $4,932, and by the end of the month, we expected to see a push to the upside of about 5,855. So basically, the fear and greed index currently is fear, right? We are having a lot of fear in the market right here for YFI. And based on sentiment, we are seeing 66% of the technical analysis, right, indicators, right, forecasting that 66% is bearish and 34% is bullish, right? So we are basically more bearish than bullish. And the AI, this is the simulation by the AI of basically what could happen to YFI for the month of September. So we basically could just see some sort of sideways price action right here for YFI, and by the end of the month, we could be ending up at that 4,900 to $5,000 region right here for YFI, as predicted by the AI. So our AI uses a couple of indicators to predict or give us this template right here of what could happen, including the RSI and a couple of indicators such as the simple moving average, the exponential moving averages, as you can see right here, the oscillators, which includes the stochastic RSI, the CCI, the average, ADX, the awesome oscillator, the momentum, the MACD. So it combines all of these indicators, right, to be able to forecast and give us a template of what could happen in the month of September. So basically, we just basically could see sideways price action, as our AI is basically more bearish than bullish on YFI. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think, right, our AI is right or our AI is wrong? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.